Hello everyone. So today I will show you how to fix Discord app stuck on connecting screen on iPhone. So the first step is to force close the app. If Discord is stuck on the connecting screen, the first thing you should do is force close the app, close all apps running in the background and close it and try opening Discord again. Step 2, change DNS settings. Open settings, tap on Wi-Fi, tap on information icon next to your connected network, scroll down and tap on configure DNS, make it manual, delete any existing DNS server, delete it. Now tap on add a server. Now type 8.8.8.8 and tap on add another server and type 8.8.4.4 and save it. Step 3, offload and reinstall the Discord app. Go to settings, scroll down and tap on general, tap on iPhone storage. Now find and tap on Discord, tap on offload app, and tap on reinstall app again. Step 4, check your network connection. If the problem persists, try switching between Wi-Fi and cellular data. Turn off Wi-Fi and then turn it on. Step 5, update Discord. If still the problem persists, go to App Store and search Discord and update it. Search it and update it. That's it. Thanks for watching. See you in next tutorial.